to disagree. I travel the world and the seven seas. Everybody is looking for something. Some of them want to use you. Some of them want to get used by you. Some of them want to abuse you. Some of them want to be abused. La 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 la. Hey everybody, I'm Vasco and today we're taking a look at Sweet Dreams by Eurythmics, but we'll do it on a low G string ukulele. I have another video for high G, which is in different key, but in this key that I'm about to show you right now fits the low G very, very good. So yeah, if you have a low G, grab yours and let's see how to play this one. Okay, first I want to show you one little pick that I'm doing, which is this thing. Alright, so what's that? I'm grabbing C minor and we start with playing the chord, and then on the second time I'm playing 2 times the G string, 2 times C string, again 2 times G string, and then I'm grabbing G string here on the first fret, then C string open, G string open, and then 3rd to 5th. Okay, you can do this as an intro, or if you want to, you can even keep it up throughout the song, but I think it's kind of complicated to sing and play this at the same time. So while I'm singing, I'm just strumming the chords, which are C minor, which we already saw. Then we have A flat major 7 to G7. And that's the main part. So C minor, quicker now, A flat major 7 to G7. And as for strumming, I'm doing something like down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. So on the quicker chords, I'm doing down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. And on C minor, where we're staying a little bit longer, I'm doing down, down, up, down, up. But this is just a reference. I mean, don't follow it too strictly. Feel something of your own. Sweet dreams are made of this. Who am I to disagree? I travel the world and the 7 seas. Everybody is looking for something. Some of them want to use you. Some of them want to get used by you. Some of them want to abuse you. Some of them want to be abused. And here we go to the next part. Wow. Here's something that I'm doing. While holding the C minor chord, the pinky goes on the 6th fret of the E string to make it a 7, and then grabbing F minor like this, right? The same way that we're grabbing B minor, but just putting the pinky on the 5th fret of the C string and the middle finger on the 4th fret of the E string. And then we finish it again with A flat major 7 to G7. All right, so let's see how this goes. La 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 la. Oh, sweet dreams are made of this. And you go to another verse. And then at some point we have the bridge, which is C minor, hold your head up, moving on to F. And I'm grabbing F here like this. If that's not comfortable for you, you can grab it as a normal F, but I think it sounds better up here, at least in my opinion. Hold your head up, moving on. Keep your head up, moving on. Hold your head up, moving on. Keep your head up, moving on. Hold your head up, moving on. Keep your head up, moving on. Hold your head up, moving on. And here's the solo. For which we hold the main chord progression. La 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 la. Da, 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 da. Sweet dreams are made of this. And pretty much this is my low G string tutorial for Sweet Dreams in the key of C minor. I think it sounds pretty good. Let me know in the comments below which song should I do next on the low G especially. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye. Summer